Welcome to another unboxing. So today I received another item I purchased from Amazon. I think is a good choice. So I put the price and the quality first of all, because I verify with the rates of people doing on this kind of products. So this is for music. Everybody's listening music on these days, right? To go work, to go to the gym, at home. So what I purchased, you guys are gonna see. So could be an headset. No, it's not an headset. I didn't buy an headset because I remember it was like 2-3 years ago. I buy for $80 Bluetooth. They're light, they're amazing. So I didn't buy new headsets. See what he had in. Alright. Okay. So I buy two items. There we go. Anker. So there's the Anker Bluetooth speaker. Why I choose this guy is because he has 4.5 stars on Amazon reviews. Can bother with you anytime, and is 24 hours sound. So let's see now how we can open there's a little sticker here. You can just push the sticker and we're gonna see inside we have that's a little cute box, probably all the cables, I'll say. Charging. Thanks for choosing Anker. Yeah, you're welcome. Alright. Yes. So here we have the USB charger, of course. And okay, and there's the guy. Small. Good seal. Okay, right here. And nothing else, of course. And we have here the Bluetooth Anker. Black, like you guys can see, it's my favorite color, right? So let's set it up and give it a test. So there's the guy here. As you guys can see here on the top, you have the buttons: play, stop, music, on. And this corner here you have the charger, the audio plug, and the microphone. So I can have Google Assistants with this and answering calls. Now I'm gonna plug it in the phone, and because my camera is my phone, I need to figure out how. So just a second. So now it's connected, and on the settings of my Bluetooth devices on my phone, you can see there's 70% battery. So it comes with charge, so it's ready to play music. So let's put it on and test it. It's on now. Let's volume up on this. I think it's really good. Let's wait. It's almost on the max. Oh, yeah. My neighbors are not going to be happy. I think I did a good choice. Small. There's two speakers on it. Yeah. It's pretty amazing. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this. It's a small gadget, less than $50 with taxes. I ordered yesterday and I get it today. And because I have so many devices now, and I think it's amazing, everything now it's chargeable. But because I'm going to, you know, different cities and doing castings and probably hotels, so I have another little device. It is here we go. You're wondering what it is? It's chargeable, of course. So now with all the devices I have, I only have this. I don't need to find where is my plug to plug my phone, where do I need to plug my light, where I need to plug my remote control. I have this.
I support federal aid to education and federal aid to teacher salaries. I think that's a good investment.
Now let me ask, sir, why can't the farmer operate like the businessman who operates factories?
Okay. I'm gonna enjoy my sunbar now, and my neighbors, they're not gonna enjoy it.